Imagine if you buy a $1,400 phone and then you find out that a $250 phone has the same camera as your flagship phone. This is actually very interesting. Xiaomi just humiliated Samsung by using their 108 megapixel HM2 sensor on a super affordable budget $250 smartphone. Yes, the Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G with a 108 megapixel camera made by Samsung is currently available in China for about $250 price. This sensor is the successor to the HM1 of the S20 Ultra, the phone that cost $1,400. It's unbelievable, it blows my mind. Reports out of China says that Xiaomi is not happy with Samsung's sensor, which is why they have decided to use a flagship grade HM2 sensor by Samsung on a budget phone. Even Samsung is reportedly not satisfied with their own performance. The camera in the Note 20 Ultra is definitely one of the top smartphone cameras out there, but Xiaomi doing something like this, putting the HM2 on a $250 phone, it kind of makes you wonder. Now Samsung is jumping straight to HM3 for its Galaxy S21 Ultra. They skipped the HM2 entirely. I guess they have special plans for that sensor. We'll have to wait and see what Samsung brings to the table. Now since Xiaomi is bringing 108 megapixel sensor to its budget smartphone, it definitely sets a certain benchmark for other companies, especially Samsung themselves. Samsung's Galaxy A70 has a 64 megapixel camera. The A71 also had a 64 megapixel camera, and now with the A72 it makes sense for Samsung to jump to a 108 megapixel sensor. Perhaps Samsung could do the same, bring the HM2 sensor with its good software image processing. Combined with the OLED 90Hz display, we're looking at a super solid Samsung smartphone. If Xiaomi can do it, then why not Samsung? The question truly is why not, because if you guys remember, Samsung has a great 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN1 sensor that they gave to Vivo. It's an amazing sensor that is even bigger than what they are using inside the Note 20 Ultra, but for some reason Samsung never used this on their own phone. I hope they change their game plan. Now Xiaomi is on a roll. In case you guys don't know, they beat Apple to become second largest smartphone brand in the world, and they are really close to challenge Samsung's ultimate throne. They're bringing a Galaxy S21 Ultra rival in the form of Xiaomi Mi 11. This phone, according to Digital Chat Station, will be using an unknown 50 megapixel sensor. It's definitely going to challenge the camera sensor of the S21 Ultra. Other than this, we're also going to see 120Hz refresh rate combined with worldwide Snapdragon 875 5G chipset and a nearly bezel-less design with punch hole to rival the beast of Samsung. Now this phone won't have under-display camera, but Xiaomi does have planned for an upcoming Mi Mix 4. It's gonna take some design cues from Mi Mix Alpha, and it could be the first Xiaomi phone with a proper under-display camera, something Samsung is also planning to do with its Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now speaking of foldables, this is another area where Xiaomi is about to challenge Samsung's ultimate dominance. A brand new Xiaomi patent has revealed that a new foldable phone is in the works. It's got a complete bezel-less display thanks to a pop-up camera system. The outer display looks a lot like the original Galaxy Fold 1. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look that good as the Fold 2, especially with the outer display, but it's definitely going to beat Samsung when it comes to the pricing. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 is a near $2,000 price phone. The Z Fold 3 will also likely to keep the same price tag. Xiaomi, on the other hand, can bring foldable phones to more masses when it comes to the budget. Now Xiaomi is not playing game. They have done something revolutionary when it comes to smartphone camera game. Enter smartphone retractable 120mm lens. This is a prototype camera sensor that Xiaomi showed off. It's got a much bigger aperture, letting in 300% more light than a traditional smartphone camera sensor, which will result in a much better image quality. The size of this almost looks like a proper digital camera. It's said to improve the portrait image and night mode shots massively. All in all, I have to say Xiaomi is making some exciting moves. There's a reason why they were able to beat Apple, and they're definitely a big challenger to Samsung's ultimate dominance, especially when it comes to the foldable phone market. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.